What's up guys, I'm Anamik and welcome to my channel Anamik Tech Talks, where I talk about how to make money online. Today I'm going to talk about how you can make money just by playing video games, okay, on your phone. Simple as that. But before I proceed, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel because I post videos regarding how to make money online daily on YouTube. So let's dive into it. As you can see on the screen, this is called luckstatic.com. How you can win here is that at first you have to go to this Google Play Store from their website. Like if you click here, it will obviously take you to that this website. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to download a new app. Okay, you have to download this app from Google Play Store, and just for playing games you will make money. And I'll show you how it works. The first thing is there are three different prizes that you can win. This is a kind of event or something, so where you have a chance to win at least up to $1 million in revenue, and even the $5,000 or something similar like that. So the next thing is you can after that you will get paid in terms of token. As you play the games on your phone, you'll be able to like play it, and as soon as you play it you will receive some kind of tokens and scratch card like that, where you have to scratch the card and you will find out some points. It's really work like that. So let's take a look at the facts section. As you can see, there are tokens, cash prizes and stuff like that. So the first things first, let's see what this is all about. Scratch cards. As you can see, the scratch cards reset every day, and they offer additional bonus card every day between 1 to 5 p.m. and okay, make sure to turn on your push notification to find out which these extra cash cards are available. Why can't I access my cards? Okay, so this is a scratch card, and what you have to do is you have to download that software, and then you have to start playing the games. Okay, and these are not available on PC. It is available only on tablets and Android or any kind of iOS device. So okay, the first things, here we go. Now the tokens here, as you can see, the tokens are available. Accumulate tokens to redeem instant rewards or for entries into any of your contests. Tokens will help you to take part in the contest, where you can win up to $1 million. Like, that's a life-changing amount, right? Now the next thing is where you will find the tokens. As it is shown here, you'll be able to redeem like this or claim. So you have to go to your My Wallet section on that Android software, like Android app, and that where you have to as soon as you earn enough tokens, you will be able to use for a movie ticket or popcorn reward, something like that. Okay, now tokens are not real money and do not have any monetary value. The tokens can be used to redeem instant rewards. Remember, the tokens can be used for like redeeming only the rewards and enter into contests. It is nothing to do with the real money. Okay, now the cash prizes. Okay, cash prizes are like to win any scratch card, you must have match 3 of the winning symbols and spin on the card. Okay, how does 5,000 scratch card work? To unlock your 5,000 scratch card, you must play at least one scratch card a day. It's some kind of like trying your luck or something. Okay, now the instant rewards. Redeeming an instant rewards is now easier than ever. When you have accumulated enough tokens, head over to the instant section. Instant rewards, you will be promoted to verify your account with your Facebook, and that's enter your phone number and all this stuff, and then click on the gift card link. It will be prompted to enter. So that's it. And okay, now there will be some daily rewards. Daily rewards are collected through consecutive days of play. As I said, as you continue to play it, you'll keep receiving the rewards and stuff like that. And on the 5th day, you will begin to receive the mystery rewards, which can be a variety of token amounts or content series. Okay, entrance. Now okay, let's see. W9 form. Okay, so maybe you can win up to these cash prizes just by entering in contests. Okay, so that's the only way here you can make money. Okay, and as you can see through these areas here, okay, absolutely all our cash prizes, gift cards, surprise drawings are real since launch. Okay, we are constantly featuring winners on our site and updated. What if I don't receive any? If you do not receive your winnings or rewards and it has been longer than 7 or 10 business, please contact us. Okay, you do not receive a cash prize for liking Lux Trading on. Okay, instead you receive a $25 scratch card that you can play. To unlock your $25 scratch card, you must click one of the Facebook. So this is how it works. It is totally depend upon whether you will win or not. So as you can see by the name of this website, Lux Static, you can make like $5,000 or even $1 million, and there is no doubt about it. And if you were into these points and sort of stuff like that, like then you should give it a try and see, and there is a chance of winning some movie ticket or something similar. And I think this website is only available in the United States, and believe so there is no WPN form. That means it might not be available for the residents outside United States, so it is solely for United States visitors. Okay, that's it. That's what I wanted to say. And as you can see, playing Lux Static. Okay, it will just help you to win the cash prizes or earn rewards or something like that. So you can try your luck there and maybe you can win it. So it's almost like casino or something. So I'll not put a lot of work into this, but I was expecting something different, but it seems like there's no other option. But just playing that, you will make money. Okay, and also you can go to this website, inboxdollars.com. Okay, if you go to inboxdollars.com, this is the website from which you can also make money just by playing. Okay, this is a section you can play games to make money. Okay, and since I'm not logged in, so it is not showing much, and unfortunately it's not logging out. Yes, log out. Okay, I had been logged in here. So as you can see, you can play games and do stuff like that, and also you can play games here too. And Inbox Dollars, from Inbox Dollars, you will get rewarded for playing games, and as soon as you get some rewards, you'll be able to spend it, or you can use PayPal to pay it out. So you can use the Inbox Dollars too. And also Swagbucks is also available, which is on the site. So Swagbucks also provides similar kind of stuff, like where you can play games and make money, and simple as that. So that's what I wanted to say today, and I hope this video is really helpful for you. If it is, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, because I post videos regarding how to make money online daily, and I will come up with more videos like this in the future. So thanks for watching, and see you again in the next video.